Welcome back, traders. I'm glad to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to implement the Supertrend Ladder ATR indicator to build a powerful trading strategy in the market. I will also show you my 100 times backtested result in a row based on the Supertrend Ladder ATR indicator trading strategy concept. What's the Supertrend Ladder ATR indicator all about? This is a Supertrend Ladder ATR indicator is an overlay trading indicator that has a slightly twisted concept, which can be very beneficial in strong trending markets to reduce stop-loss distance and exit slightly quicker. To apply the indicator on the chart, type the Supertrend-Ladder ATR and select the Supertrend Ladder ATR by He Who Must Not Be Named. As we can see, here's the trading indicator on the trading chart. This trading indicator has a lower green and upper red ladder line. Let's right-click on the trading indicator so we can learn more about this trading indicator. Navigate downward and select the Settings option here. Selecting this will pop up the Parameter Settings tab. Under the Input option here, we can see the components which made up the Supertrend-Ladder ATR indicator: the moving average SMA-20, the ATR multiplier 4. How does this trading indicator work in the market? When the asset is trending up, the regular ATR shows high values if there are big green candles. When you are in a long trade, what matters for stop loss is how much a bearish candle can move within bars. Hence, using ATR derived is only based on red candles that is more beneficial for trailing stops on buy signals. Also, the same applies to when the asset is trending down. The regular ATR shows high values if there are big red candles. When you are in a short trade, what matters for stop loss is how much a bullish candle can move within bars. Hence, using ATR derived is only based on green candles that is more beneficial for trailing stops on sell signals. Take note, ATR will be minimal when the volatility is less, and ATR will increase with volatility. This means, once you are in a trade, the trailing of stop loss will also vary based on ATR or volatility. With regular ATR and Supertrend, chances of stop-loss distance widening are high, with increased volatility even though stop-loss levels will not move down. This again poses the risk of higher drawdown during trade closure and also keeps in the trade during the ranging market. To have a quick understanding of how this indicator can be used to generate sell and buy signals in the market, I will give a deep explanation of how this indicator works on the 4-hour chart of the USD Canadian dollars. As we can see at the low of this round bottom here, after a bullish candlestick broke up and closed above the upper ATR red line here, our buy signal was generated in this market, thereby signaling the end of this bearish and ranging market here. Also, we can see how the lower ATR line transformed into a green line, which confirmed the buy signal generated here. The best buy entry zone would be at the close of this bullish candlestick here. The best zone to implement our stop loss is at the low of the lowest swing of this lower green ATR line here. We will have to ride the trend upward and exit the long position whenever the green ATR line turns red, as we can see here. Let's search the market and see how to sell with the Supertrend ladder ATR indicator. Here we can see the market was in a ranging medium. Price later made a bearish breakout below the green ATR line here. We could have short from the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here in this selling setup, and place our stop loss above the upper ATR red line here. We could have ridden this bearish trend to this low section here where the ATR line turned green. Now that we have known how to implement this trading strategy for buy and sell setup in the market, it's time we proceed to my 100 times backtested trading result with this trading strategy concept based on the 4-hour time frame on the British pound sterling paired against the USD chart. Here's my trading result after executing 100 trades for 5 days in the Forex market with this trading strategy concept on the 4-hour time frame. I implemented the 1-to-3 ratio. On each trade, I risk $1,000 for a profit target of $3,000. I got 70 wins and 30 losses. My record of most consistent wins in a row is 7, and most losing streak in a row is 3. The gain on the trading account is 30%. As we can see, a 30% gain on the trading account proves that this is a highly profitable and reliable trading strategy. In order to have a higher winning trading record with this trading strategy, make sure you apply it to trade a trending market or to trade breakout of a ranging market. Also, stick to applying this trading concept on the higher time frame.